Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Then, at the top right corner, click Join Now to begin. Now, type in your email address and create a password. And after that, click Agree and Join. And here, enter your first name and last name, then click Continue. Now, choose your location, then add your current or most recent job title. If you're a student, select the student option instead. Add your company or school details and finish the setup process. Once your account is created, click Update Profile, then add your skills, experience, education, and other details. And after that, upload a professional profile picture to make your account look better. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.